This video is for my oceanographers, but none of them have said they wanted a shout out. So the shout out goes to Asta and Ada. Keep up the good work, ladies. Here we have 10 drops of 15 gram per litre sodium chloride solution. I'll just add a few drops of potassium dichromate. Gives it a bit of a yellow colour. And now I'm going to add silver nitrate solution. Now first the nitrate ions will react with the chloride ions to give a milky silver chloride. So we can start to see that there. It's sort of getting a milky appearance. Now I'm counting the drops. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now and then give it a bit of a swirl. What I'm looking for is a reddish-brown colour. That tells me that I've run out of chloride in the sodium chloride, and then the silver starts to react with the dichromate. So that's 10 drops so far. That's 14 drops. No reddish-brown yet, just the whitish, the milky colour. 15, 16. Now I'm coming closer to the finishing point, the end point. Just slow it down a bit, so I'll just do them in twos and then in ones. 16, 7, what am I saying? 17, 18, that was 18 drops. 19, 20. And I might just do it by drop wise now. I'll do another 2. There we go, 22 drops. 23. 24, 25, 26. Now I'm stopping. I should have just added one more and called it 25. I added 2 and called it 26, but there's a definite color change there. Okay, from the milky of the silver chloride to the sort of reddish brown color of the silver dichromate. So that is my endpoint, and I've finished. Well, that's the video done. If you liked it, brilliant. Hit the like button and leave me a comment too. Now you know what to do. Go hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.